Good day everyone. Today we're going to tackle a lesson about finite geometric series.
First, if we have our objectives, the students will learn how to solve finite geometric series equations. And in the end of this lesson, the students will learn how to use the finite geometric series formula. So without further ado, let's start.
So we have a problem here. It's 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus and so on. And in this problem, we just add the 5 terms and we will get the answer is 124. Easy as that. But if you want to check if your answer is correct, we can use the formula of finite geometric series, which is sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. Before using this formula, we have to determine the common ratio. And to get that, we have to divide a sub 2 to a sub 1, which is 8 over 4, and we will get the answer of 2, and our common ratio is 2. We can proceed using the formula. Now we got here 4 times 1 minus 2 raised to n, which is n is the number of terms, which is 5. 2 raised to 5 over 1 minus 2. So that equals to 4 times 1 minus 32 over negative 1. Now you have to minus 1 minus 32, which is 31. Now we got 4 times negative 31 over negative 1. Now we have to multiply the 4 and negative 31. 4 times negative 31 equals negative 124 over negative 1. If we divide negative 124 to negative 1, we will get positive 124. As you can see, we have the same answer as the first one.
Now let's proceed to our second problem. So this is 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54 plus 162 plus 486. So as what parents said, we can just add the terms and that is equals to 728. Now let's compare it by using the formula. So again, the formula is Sn equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. So first, let's determine our common ratio. So we just have to simplify, divide our a sub 2 to our a sub 1. So that's 6 over 2 equals 3. Now that we have our common ratio, we can now use the formula and this will give us 2 times 1 minus 3 raised to 6. Again, 6 is our n and the n is the number of terms. We just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why 6 is our n over 1 minus 3, and that is equals to 2 times 1 minus 729 over negative 2, and that is equals to 2 times negative 728 over negative 2. So that will give us negative 1456 over negative 2. And it's equals 728, and as we can see, it is the same as this.
In our third example, we have here a finite geometric series summation notation. In this problem, the first thing we're going to do is to find the first 3 terms. So what we're going to do is a sub 1 is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 1 minus 1, and that is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 0, which is equals to 4. And a sub 2 is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 2 minus 1, and that is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 1, and that is equals to 8. And a sub 3 is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 3 minus 1, and that is equals to 4 times 2 raised to 2, and that's equals to 16. Now that we have our first 3 terms, we can now determine our common ratio. To do this, or to find our common ratio, what we're going to do is to divide our a sub 2 over a sub 1, and that is equals to 8 over 4 is equals to 2. Now that we have our common ratio, we can now use our formula. So that is equals to a sub 20 equals to 4 times 1 minus 2 raised to 20 over 1 minus 2. So that is equals to 4 times 1 minus 1,048,576 over negative 1. And that is equals to 4 times negative 1,048,575 over negative 1. And that is equals to negative 4,194,300 over negative 1. And the answer of that is 4,194,300.